Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to కంప్యూటర్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఇన్ సి. The C programming language. A programming language is a means of communication for the user to communicate with the computer system. The programming language is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. This is a language which is understood by both man and machine. There are a number of programming languages. However, all these languages are designed to perform at least certain basic instructions and operations. These instructions and operations are input or output operations, arithmetic operations, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, logical operations, comparison for equality, inequality, movement of instructions and data to and from the CPU. Types of programming language: machine language, assembly language, high level language. Machine language. This is the only language which is understood by the computer. This is the language nearest to the machine. In this language, the programs are written in binary code. That is, the instructions are made only by the combination of binary digits 0 and 1. Machine language may vary from machine to machine depending upon the computer architecture. Machine languages execute the fastest since they are immediately understood by the computer. Assembly language. The zeros and ones of the machine language were substituted by letters and symbols in assembly language. The assembly language use mnemonics, memory aid in place of operation codes. The language uses symbols instead of numbers to write programs. A program written using such symbols in the assembly language is called the source program. The program written in assembly language has to be converted into machine language for use by the computer. This is achieved with the help of the assembler. The assembler is a system program which is supplied by the manufacturer. It converts the assembly program into a machine readable program, and the resulting program is called the object program. Thus, the input to the assembler is the source program and the output of the assembler is the object program. The assembler translates each assembly language instruction into a corresponding machine code. High level languages. High level languages make use of English like words and statements and mathematical symbols for instructions. Higher level languages make programming easier since they are relatively easy to learn. Less time is required to write program in high level language. The programmer is not required to know the detailed working of the computer system in order to program in a high level language. They are machine independent. Higher level languages are also known as problem oriented languages. The programs which are used to translate programs written in high level language into machine language are known as translators. The types of translators are compiler, interpreter. C language. C is a general purpose programming language and is used for writing programs in many different domains. such as operating system, numerical computing, and graphical applications. C was designed and developed at Bell Laboratories, USA in 1970. It is a block-structured language which allows the use of various concepts of structured programming. C is also very portable. C is the most popular language used for systems programming like designing compilers and operating systems. While writing a computer program, it is absolutely necessary to write each and every instruction in the correct sequence. The logical control of element within the computer program is the most important aspect of programming. The various stages in the development of a computer program are problem definition, coding, testing, maintenance, program design, debugging, documentation. Facts about C. C was invented to write an operating system called Unix. The language was formalized in 1988 by the American National Standard Institute (ANSI). The Unix OS was totally written in C. Most of the state-of-the-art software have been implemented using C. The C has now become a widely used professional language for various reasons. Easy to learn, structured language, it produces efficient programs, it can handle low-level activities, it can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. C was initially used for system development work, in particular the programs that make up the operating system. C was adopted as a system development language because it produces code that runs nearly as fast as code written in assembly language. Some examples of the use of C might be operating system, language compilers, assemblers, text editors, print spoolers, network drivers, modern programs, databases, language interprets, utilities. C program structure. A C program basically consists of the following parts: preprocessor commands, functions, variables, statements and expressions, comments. For example, hash include stdio.h, int main, brace, my first program in C, printf, hi bro, /n, return 0, brace close. The first line of the program hash include is a preprocessor command. The next line int main is the main function where program execution begins. The next line /*// will be ignored by the compiler and it has been put to add additional comments in the program. So such lines are called comments in the program. The next printf is another function available in C which causes the message hi bro to be displayed on the screen. The next line return 0 terminates the main function and returns the value 0. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో ఎక్కడితో ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సి లాంగ్వేజ్ బాగుంటుంది, బేసిక్స్ అంతా బాగుంటాయి, నేర్చుకుంటే చాలా సరదాగా ఉంటుంది. ఒక క్రికెట్ గేమ్ ఆడుతున్నట్టు, చెస్ ఆడుతున్నట్టు చాలా సరదాగా ఉంటుందన్నమాట. ఈ వీడియో ఎక్కడితో ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంతవరకు బాయ్.